Yes, time and money are limited resources which can be optimized with a Pareto analysis. We saw indeed in the prior video that in this example, 80% of the sales were generated by only 20% of the products. 20% of the products, it's 200 products in our example. That's a good start to optimize my time and money, but what if I want to focus on an even more limited subset of product references to be more productive? I can simply ask the add-in to only highlight the products that make not 80% of the total sales, but let's say 50%. To do so, I just go to the settings via the shortcut or the ribbon and choose a target of 50% and click Save and Run. The add-in tells me that only 43 products among 1,000 make almost 50% of the sales. That's amazing. I just change the color for the sake of the demonstration, click OK, continue, then Format to filter out other less important products. I can also have a different approach and say, I want to know the sales generated by only 2% of the products or 20 products among 1,000 products in this example. To do so, I just go to the settings via the shortcut or the ribbon and choose to process 2% of the input and click Save and Run. Done. I can see that only 20 products generate 30% or almost a third of the total sales. With such insight, I know where I can concentrate my marketing effort.